We're gonna raise them in the house for probably 4 or 5 weeks. And then I've got 30 more pullets coming in, and these are all layers. Just got home, and there's a lot happening out here on the farm. Pardon the noise, but my neighbor is building a house, so you're gonna hear a lot of nails being shot into the wood. Anyways, we had a little incident about a week ago. RooRoo's hen that he raised out here. Here's RooRoo, this big guy here. The hen that he raised ended up missing. She's not gone. She's right here now. This little girl right here. We came home, she was nowhere to be found, and we thought maybe a hawk had gotten her, and we were devastated about that because we really liked her. She was a really good girl. Well, about 5 days after that, one of the buckets that we have, apparently she had jumped on it and flipped it over onto herself, and she was stuck inside that bucket. I never heard her. When I don't even know how the bucket got flipped back over again, but she had laid 2 eggs in the bucket. They were just little teeny tiny ones because she's only about 6 months old. Her little tail feathers looked terrible, but she really snapped back. She drank a lot of water. We gave her a lot of food, and she's fine. It's been a couple of days, so we're not doing too bad with her. Another big yoo-hoo yay on the farm is we had mama bird hatch out 5 eggs. I let her sit on 5. I don't know if I told you about that, but she hatched out all 5. And they're crawling under the fence. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. They're wandering out of the coop. We don't want that happening. So I'll have to take care of that. I've got another hen inside the barn who's laying on about 10 eggs. I don't know if she's gonna hatch them all out because she keeps moving nesting boxes, and I keep pushing the eggs back under her, and she'll tuck them back under, but I don't know if they've been without heat for too long where they're not gonna hatch. But that's okay, because let's go check the babies in the house. We're gonna be building another chicken coop on the other side of this one. That girl, she don't ever shut up. But the first 30 pullets, I think, they're gonna go in with Junior, and this is Junior, in case you don't know. That's our boy. That's our man. Isn't he beautiful? And he's got a couple of girls that were in the house for a while. Hi, ladies. They're not old enough to be laying eggs. They'll probably be laying in a couple of months when it gets nice and warm. The second set of pullets that we get in are gonna go in this cage. It'll be warm enough by the time they get out here, but they're gonna go in that cage until they're old enough to go in with the big girls. So we got a lot going on. And like we said in the last video, we are gonna get guineas. I gotta first get through my pullets. We're gonna be making chicken tractors. Yeah, Keith has devised a plan, so we're gonna put some really cool chicken tractors together for our meat birds so that we can start raising those. So we got a lot happening around here on the farm. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll be back when I get my birds. Okay, I'm back with our delivery. These are our babies from McMurray Hatchery. I'm gonna open them up now. I was a little worried about them because they were actually shipped on Wednesday and today's Saturday, and they're gonna be thirsty little guys. I hope none of them are hurt.
Okay, so this is 2.5 hours after we got them home. We only had 5 casualties so far, but they all seem to be thriving. There's a couple of them that are a little slow, like this little guy right here. We call this one Chubby. But I think he's going to be okay. And then there's one, she had a hard time keeping her feet from going up underneath her. She just sort of sat on her butt. Oh, this one right here. She was having a hard time. But now I think she's going to be okay. She's able to stand better. So I'm just going to keep monitoring them, making sure that they're all going to go for the water, that they're all eating some food. I even put some food down here on the ground for them in a clean spot, and they seem to be going for it. These guys here just jumped inside of there. I will eventually close this so that they just stick their head in and eat. But for now, I think they're all doing good. They're all staying nice and warm. And I'm going to go get my red heat lamp because they say this white one makes them peck at each other. And I've seen this one. Well, if you can see them right down here, they're really pecking at each other. So I have to go get that red bulb. But they're all huddled together because I think they might take a nap. They've been pretty active for the last half an hour. And I'm sure they're getting pretty tired. All right, we'll come back and check back later.